Hi guys, so today I'd like to talk about chi-square analysis. Chi-square analysis is very important in sciences. You'll be using it a lot in AP Biology. So what is chi-square analysis? Chi-square is a statistical test commonly used to compare observed data with data we would expect to obtain according to specific hypothesis. It allows us to test for deviations of observed frequencies from expected frequencies. In AP Biology, we'll incorporate chi-square analysis in problems where we test if the observed data follows our hypothesis. For example, if a recessive gene appears in humans as often as it is hypothesized. To introduce these tests, we'll start with a simple non-biological example. We want to determine if a coin is fair. Are the odds of flipping the coin heads up the same as tails up? We collect data by flipping the coin 50 times. It is expected for the coin to land on heads 25 times, and it is expected for the tails to land 25 times. The coin landed heads up 20 times and tails up 30 times. At first glance, we might suspect that the coin is biased because tails is resulted more often than heads. However, we have a more quantitative way to analyze our results, a chi-square test. So we're going to look back at our chi-square formula, which we're going to use in the experiment. First, we'll look at the data for the number of times the coin falls on head. As I said, it was expected for the coin to fall on the head or tails for an equal number of times. Since the coin was tossed 50 times, the coin should have fallen on heads 25 times. Our expected value is 25. In reality, the coin fell on heads for a total of 20 times, thus our observed value is 20. Now we'll place this in the formula. Chi-squared for the first value is observed minus expected, all that squared, divided by expected. So what we get here is 25 minus 20, all that squared, divided by 25. Therefore, the chi-squared for the first value is 1. We do a similar thing for tails. Observed minus expected squared divided by expected. The observed for tails was 30, while the expected was 25. Therefore, and all that divided by 25. Therefore, the chi-square was also 1. So now we're going to see the sum of the chi-square would be equal to chi-square for the first one plus chi-square for the second one. So the total for the chi-square is 2. So now we're going to determine the degree of freedom. Guys, so today I'd like to talk about chi-square analysis.